Hi everyone. Okay, today I'm going to give Mango a bath. It's one of his favorite things. He loves it. And there's 3 ways you can give a bath. There's the spray bottle, which he prefers. I tried the bath bowl in the cage. That he didn't want it. And then I guess you can take him in the shower, and he's not ready for that yet. So anyway, he loves his bath. I hope that he will be as cute today as he always is with it. But here he goes. I do really warm water, and he's watching me right now, like he's looking at me intently like I'm listening. So here we go. Oh yes, he loves his bath. He's never been filmed before while he's taking a bath, and I just spray him all over. He'll put his wings up when he wants, underneath his wings, and you have to move to his, and he comes and he tries to get the water. He loves it. He's so cute. He does everything cute. And I get him really wet. He looks like a drowned rat. And my hands get tired because he don't want to quit. So, oh yeah, that wing needs it. Okay. All right, you let me know. He lets me know. He lets me know when he's ready to change. I know I'm a little slow. Am I a little slow today? I'm getting my wrist workout. All right. Well, you got to turn where you want it. There you go. There you go. There you go. He's so spoiled. He really is. That's his new toy. Ashley got him right next to him, and he loves it. My hands are getting tired, so I'm getting slower and slower. Okay, we're about done because he isn't opening his wings as much, but I like to get underneath a lot and down by his tail. You want your wings open again, or are you done? He says, I'm done. I'm done. Now, I have the heater on down below him, and it blows on him, and it takes him a while to dry, and he usually just sits there till he gets half dry, and then he feels good, and he'll go eat and play with his toys. You can see the heater blowing on him now. He loves it. I keep it. We do this every other day or so. So there he is. He's all clean. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and you have a wonderful day. Yeah, you can see how the heater blows his feathers underneath. That's why he sits in that spot, because that's where he gets the best heat. And I watch the temperature in the room. It's 69 right now, and I try to keep it 69 to 71 when he's wet. He likes it about 65 when he's not wet. But he's never been filmed before. He gets camera shy once in a while, but after he takes a bath, he sits there by the heater till he shakes all the water off. He's been losing little white feathers, and I googled it. It's natural. He sees Ashley filming him, and he says, "Oh, I'm gonna move over this way. I just had my bath, and my feathers don't look good."